I'm recording the sewer line here at 8023 27th Avenue Northwest, Seattle, Washington. Date is, what is it, February 5th, 2020, excuse me. What we're looking at is the Seattle City sewer main, about 80 feet out into the pipe, give or take. I'm recording this from the 3-inch ABS cleanout we've got here on the south side of the house. So I'm pulling back. That's the Seattle City main line. So the City of Seattle is responsible for their mainline sewer. Homeowner here at 8023 is responsible for everything back from here. So pulling back, we'll take a look at the line. It's a 6-inch clay sewer line. Original to the house. So when the house was built, this section of sewer was in here. I'm going to pull back. Kind of get an idea of our footage down there at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. I zeroed it out when we got all the way out there. And I'm doing a little bit of rotating because the camera kind of, as it turns, it rotates the head. We are sliding along the bottom of the pipe right now. We do have downspouts tied into the sewer. That's why you'll see that water flowing along the bottom of the line. So about 40 feet back, give or take, we get into the repair that we did here. I'd have to look at the records to see when we did it, but I know it was relatively recent. So here's the repair of the pipe. You'll see that's the upstream clean out there, and that hole on the top you see there, it's not a hole, that's our pipe going up. That's the downstream access. So this section of sewer has some sitting water in it. Might be a little flat through there. On the left side of the pipe, kind of on the top side of the camera angle here, is the is a tie-in, possibly a downspout from the front. There on the top side of the screen again, you see that half moon shape, that's another tie-in. Flip our camera back around. So we're in 4-inch clay pipe here. This is a section I'd like to note. You can see some breaking of the pipe here. Looks like a chunk of that clay has kind of come dislodged, and it's holding water right here. So possible spot of concern there, as there's definitely an issue going on with the pipe. It looks like the clay is starting to fall apart. This I'll locate in the yard here in a minute once I pull it. Well, I'll locate it right now. I'll be right back. Okay, I've located that spot pretty close to our current clean out. Probably about 5-6+ feet downstream. So we're coming back up into this section of plastic somebody's installed along the line. This clean out ABS black plastic, and coming out of the hole here. So it's the end of the recording I'm going to make today.